National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for East Central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, west central Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 5 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Beecher, or near Pewtown, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Crete, University Park and Beecher around 4:35 p.m. Steger and St. John around 4:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Sauk Village, Linwood, Ford Heights, Schererville, Crown Point, Dyer, Merrillville, Highland, Munster, and Griffith. This includes Ileana Motor Speedway. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Motherfucker, there ain't no tornado.